Hi, I am Stina Stephen from Tiju's Academy. I bring you today common pronunciation mistakes in OET speaking. As you very well know, in the linguistic criteria we have intelligibility and fluency, where the assessor pays attention to your pronunciation and tone. Let us look at some terms that are commonly mispronounced. First we have the Alzheimer's. It's even if we have Z and H, we will say it as HY, that's Alzheimer's, and it's not Alzheimer's. Many people mispronounce it as Alzheimer's. It's Alzheimer's. Let's look at the next one. It is diabetes, not diabetes. Okay, diabetes. In the next one we have PH, which gives the F sound. So this is diphtheria, okay. Then we have embolus, not embolus, it is embolus. You know there's a common exercise for tightening the muscles. So this is the Kegel exercise. It's commonly mispronounced as Kegel exercise. It's Kegel exercise. So next we have the otolaryngologist. We call the ENT specialist otolaryngologist. Otolaryngologist. A common condition that is mispronounced is psoriasis. It's not psoriasis, it is psoriasis. The next term is pica. It's not pica, it's pica. You know the condition where they eat excessively, whether it's food or not. So that condition is called pica, not pica. Then we have a skin condition, rosacea. It's not rosacea, it is rosacea. And then we have a common ringing sensation we feel in the ears. It's tinnitus, not tinnitus, it's tinnitus. Next we have the ophthalmologist. It's an eye specialist. We don't say ophthalmologist, we say ophthalmologist. As I mentioned earlier, PH is a F sound. Okay, so it is ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist. Okay. Next word we have is dilate. It is dilate. It's not dilate. Okay. The next term is scoliosis, the curvature of the spine. It's not scoliosis, it's scoliosis, scoliosis. Next we have cochlea, it's not cochlea, it is cochlea. We have cerebral palsy. It is not cerebral or palsy, it is cerebral palsy. Okay. Then we have interstitial cystitis. Interstitial cystitis. Here we have a tendency to take titus here as titial. It is not intertitial, it is interstitial. Then we have interstitial cystitis. Because it is titus here, we have a tendency to take titial here. Interstitial cystitis. It's not interstitial, it is interstitial cystitis. Interstitial cystitis. I hope you have understood the common pronunciation mistakes in OET speaking, and I hope you incorporate that in your OET session.